Welcome to physics class. Now we will discuss about the image formation by the concave lens for the different positions of object. A concave lens forms a virtual, erect and smaller image whatever be the position of object. It is clear from the table that if the object is at infinity, then image will be formed at f1, means smaller images form diminished point size and its nature is virtual and erect image. Secondly, when the object is between infinity and optical center O of the lens, then image will be formed between f1 and optical center O. Again, size is diminished, small sized image is there formed, and nature will be virtual and erect. Now it is clear from this ray diagram, when the object is at infinity, parallel light rays coming from the object which are parallel to principal axis and they appears to come from the focus and image is formed at focus. When object is placed between optical center and infinity, then image will be formed between principal focus f1 and optical center O, and it is diminished image, virtual and erect also. Lens formula. It is a relationship between object distance u, image distance v and focal length of the lens. 1 over v minus 1 over u equal to 1 over f. As we know from the sign convention, object distance is taken as negative and focal length of concave lens is negative. Rest depends upon the calculations. Magnification is defined as the ratio of the height of the image and height of the object, and it is represented by m. Here m equal to h dash upon h, where h dash is height of image and h is height of object, and which is in turn equal to v upon u here. It is clear from the discussion till now that ability of lens to converge or diverge light rays depends on its focal length. Now we will discuss about the power of lens. Power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length represented by capital P. Its formula will be P equal to 1 over f. As focal length of concave lens is negative, that's why its power will also be negative, and that of convex lens is positive and its power will be also positive. The SI units of power of a lens is diopter. It is denoted by letter D. If focal length is expressed in meters, then power is expressed in diopter. 1 diopter is the power of that lens whose focal length is 1 meter. If power of given lens is plus 2 diopter, then the given lens is convex. Its power is minus 2.5 or something else, means negative value. Then we can identify the lens that is concave lens. When a number of lenses are placed in contact with one another, then the power of combination of the lenses is equal to the algebraic sum of the powers of individual lenses, that is mean power, that is P equal to P1 plus P2 plus Pn. P1 and P2 means power of lens 1 or 2. Now we will discuss set 4 question answers, page number 184. Question 1. Define 1 diopter of power of a lens. 1 diopter is power of that lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Question 2. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. Real and inverted image means image distance is given V equal to 50 cm. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens? You have to find out U. If the image is equal size that of object, means this is case when object is at 2f1 and image is formed at 2f2. You have to find out power of lens also. Given terms, image distance denoted by V, 50 cm. Magnification denoted by M. According to question, image is formed of same size, That's why it is 1. Then object distance we have to calculate. As we know, image is of same size as that of object. Therefore, object must be at a distance equal to twice of focal length, that is at 2f. And in case object distance will be same, but u means object distance is always negative. We have to calculate power of lens also. For that we need the focal length. Here the object and image both are at equal distance from the lens. That's why object distance is at 2f, case is at 2f, where image is formed at 2f2. Object is at 2f1 and image is formed at 2f2. That's why focal length will be denoted by small f. It will be 25. By sign convention, focal length of convex lens is positive. That's why we have written 25 centimeter. Now power, we know that P is equal to 1 over F, and if F is in meter, but for centimeter it is 100 upon F. Here it is in centimeter. We will use second one. 100 upon 25, answer will be 4 diopter. Power of lens used here is 4 diopter. Third question, find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Focal length is given here, that is 2 meter. Lens is concave, that's why focal length is negative. Okay, let us calculate this now. In this case, lens is convex. Then given terms, focal length denoted by small f, which is minus 2 meter. Why minus? Cause focal length of concave lens is taken as negative by sign conventions. We have to calculate the power. That's why our formula for the power is 1 over f. Value of focal length minus 2. It is 1 over 2. That's why can be written as minus 0.5 diopter. Now exercise question. We will deal MCQs here. Question number 1 to question number 6. No need to write them in your notebook. Just try to understand. First one. Which one of the following materials can't be used to make a lens? Water, glass, plastic and clay. Among these, D option. Clay will not be used. Second, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? This is only possible when object is between pole of the mirror and its principal focal. So option D is correct. Third question, where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of object? So the object is to be placed at twice of the focal length of the lens. That's why second option is correct. Means at twice the focal length. B option. Question 4. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each a focal length of minus 15 centimeter. The mirror and the lens are likely to be, as we know by sign convention, focal length is negative, so it will be concave lens and concave mirror. Means option A, both concave. Fifth question, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be a plane mirror. Okay, and it may be convex also. That's why option D is correct here. Question 6. Which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading smaller letters found in the dictionary? Now, for reading small letters in a dictionary, We need to use a convex lens of smaller focal length. That's why option C is correct. A convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. On the basis of today's discussion, you have to do question number 16 and 17 yourself. Relation between focal length and power is used, P equal to 1 over F. Okay, try it yourself, and thank you for watching.